Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The PlayStation 5 has been plagued by a mysterious issue that's got gamers frustrated, a stuttering problem caused by its variable refresh rate feature. The PS5 received VRR support back in April 2022, and it's supposed to be great for smooth gameplay with minimal stuttering. However, since the launch of the PS5 Pro, players have been reporting a strange stutter occurring every 8 seconds when VRR is turned on. It turns out that this issue isn't just a software problem, but rather a widespread issue affecting multiple games across different genres. Titles like Elden Ring, Kingdom Come, Deliverance 2, and Resident Evil 4 are among the many affected. But what's even more surprising is that some games, like Dragon's Dogma 2, Immortals of Aveum, God of War Ragnarok, and Gran Turismo 7, aren't experiencing this issue at all. This suggests that the VRR stutter problem may be game-dependent, which means it could be a software issue rather than a hardware one. And with the PS5 Pro being affected as well, it's clear that Sony is aware of the problem, but hasn't made any official statements yet. For now, gamers are stuck disabling VRR in system settings to avoid the stuttering, which might compromise their gameplay experience. It's a frustrating situation for fans who have already invested in high-end displays hoping for smoother performance. The good news is that Sony has proven itself capable of addressing player concerns in the past, like the design of the PS5 Pro's heatsink to minimize liquid metal leakages. We're eager to see how Sony handles this issue and whether they can provide a fix soon. In the meantime, we want to hear from you. Have you experienced this stuttering problem with your PS5 or PS5 Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments below.